So guys, it's minutes to 7 and I'm doing a Christiana walkthrough. So much music again. Oh, this van just pull up in front of me, so I have to find a way to pull out in the road.
Are you alone?
But the music. But guys, Christiana, welcome to Christiana. I still go a little closer into the town. So this is a night walkthrough because currently it's about 10 minutes to 7 in the night. Mandeva taxi stand on that side. Crossing. So welcome to Grandmarket, Christiana Grandmarket 2024. Over here the streets are festive. Sorry, you're just a bunks. Oh, me think I want man. May I say sorry, you're just a bunks me done, sir. Oh Jesus, it was a lady. I thought it was a man bouncing me down, but it was a lady. Oh Lord. Man, no time in life. Amen. Hear music. Look at that activator. It's a night edition.
the police and look for me.
Ah, no. How are you, sir? From? Alright. So if I don't have to edit this part, Christiana recently got a KFC. So KFC is normally full since they have gotten their KFC. So this is what it is like. The line is long, packed all the way on the outside.
Yo, Christiana already. We represent the Peter and the one family fun there. We lost some attraction for them games. This
hello, huh? No, how is the Christmas tree in you?
I have to keep that now.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just doing a walk through and looking at how everything is going. Yes. I don't have no money for me. Somebody said I didn't know I walk with some money and buy some of the roast bread fruit down there. So, but I have to go get some and come back up. Right here? Alright. Eh?
Where actually the camera?
So they have games.
What are you doing now?
This is just for the festive season. Alright?
Don't do that.
Alright. We have jerk chicken. Guys, look at the fire at the bottom. So we're having jerk chicken over here. Look at how mad somebody this.
Mama,
Hi. Same to you.
why you have blood crap in there with that blood in there?
What the man you walk me down? That's a mad Ross man this. What did he want me cuss? Eh?
Oh my God. I recognize you.
Yeah, Tania. No, chat Jamaican with Tania.
Yeah, me know.
Oh no, we just had to walk through.
So walk through here then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You've been away for a while?
No, guess what?
You know, guys, I get a little copyright, so I have to do some voiceover. But I don't know if earlier, when I hear one man did I say, why you video me for me? I feel wonder for whatever madman this. You know, so the man I follow back at me with one knife. Man run down back at me with a knife, and me I tell you. But the little I want to big up my one of my subscribers who have always been watching my channel. He was the one that saved the day because I got the opportunity to stop and talk with him, and then the man just gone about in business. But overall, Christiana was festive and nice, and I enjoyed it. I did a little shopping in the end also. Alright, big up to Christiana.
Hi, baby. Yes, alright.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When we walk through the valley of